Hello gardening enthusiasts, welcome back to your channel. Ever wondered what makes raised gardens so unique and desirable? Well, prepare to immerse yourself in the world of elevated horticulture. First up, we have the rustic plank garden. This raised garden exudes a warm, rustic charm. Its planks, typically made from reclaimed or recycled wood, create a weathered appearance, adding an air of nostalgia. The design allows for excellent soil drainage, ensuring your plants remain healthy and vibrant. Next, we delve into the world of the Terrace stone garden. This garden boasts a stacked stone design, creating a series of terraces. The varying heights offer an interesting visual dynamic, while the stone provides a natural, organic aesthetic. The terraces also provide better sun exposure for your plants, ensuring optimal growth. The third garden on our list is the corrugated metal garden. A modern take on the raised garden, this design uses corrugated metal for its structure. It's a sturdy, durable choice, with the metal providing a sleek, industrial look. The corrugated design also allows for superior airflow, promoting healthier roots. Imagine a garden that combines functionality with aesthetics. The planter box garden does just that. Made from wooden planter boxes, this garden offers a neat and organized look. The boxes can be arranged in any configuration, providing flexibility and a personalized touch to your gardening space. Our fifth garden is the herb spiral garden. This garden is a permaculture classic, designed to make the most of vertical space. It's a spiral of herbs, each planted in their preferred microclimate within the structure. This garden is not only functional but also creates a visually stunning spiral effect. Next, we have the wood crate garden. This garden creatively utilizes wooden crates to create a rustic and charming look. Not only do these crates provide a vintage aesthetic, but they also provide excellent air and water circulation, ensuring your plants grow healthy and strong. The wood crate garden allows for good air and water circulation, while the wooden crates bring a touch of vintage appeal to your garden. The seventh garden is the cinder block garden. This rugged and practical garden uses cinder blocks for its structure. It's a strong, durable choice, with the blocks adding an urban, industrial vibe. The hollows in the cinder blocks also provide additional planting spaces, maximizing your gardening area. Perfect for those who value versatility, the container garden is something you can't miss. This garden style is celebrated for its innovative use of multi-purpose containers, offering a visually alluring and organized display of plants. It's a picture of adaptability and creativity, often filled with a broad variety of herbs, vegetables, and flowers. The freedom and mobility of a container garden are unmatched, providing flexibility to rearrange or transport your garden as per your convenience. With the space-saving advantage, you can grow an array of plants in a small area, making it an ideal choice for urban living. The power container gardening lies in its convenience. Imagine having a personalized garden that you can move around at your whim. You can adapt to the changing seasons, customize according to the available space, or even shift with you if you relocate. The world of container gardening is about limitless possibilities, offering a unique blend of convenience and flexibility. We now shift our focus to the fascinating world of the wall-mounted garden. This garden, designed to climb, is a space saver that optimally utilizes vertical space and turns it into a thriving green retreat. The wall-mounted garden is an ingenious solution for plant enthusiasts who are short on space but big on love for greenery. This vertically structured garden allows you to experiment with a myriad of plant types that can be mounted on the wall, offering you the freedom to create a garden that truly embodies your passion for horticulture. The design options are as versatile as the plants themselves, permitting you to establish a lively green wall, whether it's a cascade of trailing vines or a collection of succulent-filled frames. The wall-mounted garden's true charm lies in the blend of practicality and aesthetic, providing a refreshing backdrop to any indoor or outdoor space. It's like viewing a living artwork that evolves right on your wall, a continual reminder of the adaptability of nature. So why not consider a wall-mounted garden? It's an excellent approach to cultivate a dynamic garden space, abundant with a captivating mix of plants, delivering a visual delight all year round, and reclaiming valuable ground space for other uses. Last but not least, we have the vertical pallet garden. This garden utilizes recycled wooden pallets, turned upright, to create a vertical gardening space. It's an excellent solution for those with limited space, and it adds a unique creative flair to any environment. Each of these raised gardens offers unique features, from the rustic charm of the plank garden to the space-efficient elegance of the vertical garden. They all provide excellent drainage, better weed control, and easier access for gardeners. Plus, with their heightened design, they add a visually appealing element to any outdoor space. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or a green-thumbed beginner, these raised gardens offer a wealth of inspiration. They show that with a little creativity and a lot of love, you can create a garden that is not only productive, but also a beautiful addition to your home. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy gardening and see you next time.